Yes, my data friends, it's exactly as you have read it in the title. Edureka YouTube Channel have completely copied one of my videos that I built a dashboard from scratch related to this pandemic we have. Here you can see the two dashboards next to each other. And the first thing you will notice is that they haven't even bothered changing the name of their dashboard after they have downloaded my dashboard from my GitHub repository. So you can see the name over here, Power BI/evolution, and then if you check their dashboard, it's exactly the same name. So they have actually downloaded the dashboard and changed a few of the colorings around. Then they used exactly the same layout and visuals as you can see from here. So first we have the main summary, they have the main summary, then I have trends and forecasting, they have trends and forecasting, exactly the same visuals as you can see, confirmed cases, deaths and recovery rate, and then I also have a country breakdown, and they also have a country breakdown with exactly the same visuals, tables and the layout. They also suggested the same things or the same steps as I was suggesting in my video if you spend some time listening to their video, which I'm going to have the link in the description. And what's funny is that they have actually used the wrong fields in these visuals over here, as they are supposed to be showing cumulative numbers, yet they are decreasing. And this is because this is not their work. They don't understand the data set they are working with, and obviously they don't understand data. Then they made it even worse by showing this exact same dashboard I have created, the one they downloaded, around the 57th minute of the video, and she's saying the following words: "This is the other product I have made." And then she goes on explaining this dashboard, the one she downloaded. Then she flips over in the next page in the evolution of coronavirus. And again, she's saying, "This is another product that I have done." Yeah, sure, you've done everything by yourself. So they take my work and present it as theirs. Absolute scammers. And the final strike is that they are actually selling a course on the back of this video to teach you data science, Power BI and Python, which is a joke. If you listen to some of their other videos, it's the same person, the same voice speaking, so you can imagine other videos are probably stolen too. I have saved some screenshots from their video in my GitHub repository just in case they delete their video. So my main points from this video are the following. First, I want to raise awareness not to buy any courses from these Edureka scammers. Second, I want to send a strong message to all scammers and people who steal other people's work and present it as theirs. The data science community will find you and will judge you, as we have seen with the Siraj case when he plagiarized an academic paper and presented it as his work. Third, all this situation could have been avoided if they just give me some credit for this dashboard. So always make sure you reference people and you give credit where credit is due. At least 4 people have used this design and gave me some sort of credit in LinkedIn, which is what we should do in the data science community. Share knowledge and give credit. The last point I want to make is that I want to encourage people to be authentic and creative when it comes to data science solutions. It's good to take ideas from other people, but always try to create your own authentic work. You will never learn if you just copy people all the time. Special shout out to Mohammed, who is the person who flagged this to me. Thanks, Mo. Right, data friends, if you enjoyed this video, then click the like button, subscribe to my channel and enable notifications for my future videos, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.